cameras, please. Rolling.
This movie is definitely on another level. I mean, shutting down Las Vegas Boulevard is really, really exciting.
We got permission for us to take over Las Vegas, to close down the Strip.
They're the first film ever who actually has shut down such a big part of Vegas.
The film culminates in Vegas with our best car chase, and I like to feel we've done some pretty good ones.
We're trying to do more unique car crashes that you haven't seen before. We have the Asset and Born, and they're chasing each other along the Strip, creating carnage.
The cars that we're driving, it's a SWAT vehicle and a cop car, so there's a lot of force and energy that'll be on display. I was just standing in the middle of Las Vegas Boulevard. It's massive, like I can't even wrap my brain around the scale of what we're doing.
I stood there as a fan, not really believing that I was part of this film myself.
It is a big Jason Bourne movie, bigger than we've ever done.